Hello, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Beginning with our first DIY, I have these rings from Dollar Tree and this is a set of 2. I'm going to be using 2 of them. I'm going to take them outside and I will be spraying it with black Rust-Oleum paint. In the meantime, while that dries, I'm going to be painting these wooden beads with black acrylic paint. Now that this ring is completely dry, it's time to go ahead and decorate it. I have this mirror from Dollar Tree and those wooden beads are already dry. I'm gonna go ahead and place them one on each corner with some hot glue. I apologize for being a little off frame, but I wanted to let you know that I used some hot glue to attach the ring to the wooden beads. Now that that is completely done, we can start decorating with leftover grass or even add some floral if you prefer. This project was both easy and quick to prepare, and I truly do hope that you enjoy it as much as I did preparing it. Today's video is part of a collaboration, Sweet Summertime, and it is an open playlist, and it is being hosted by Brenda, Rustic, and Lacey DIY. And she has 2 co-hosts, Amanda, 6 Kids and a Glue Gun, and Chantel, Crafty Hints. Please make sure to visit these talented young ladies and give them a lots of love. I will also have the playlist down in my description box. And for our next project, I purchased this, I think it's a salad bowl from Goodwill's, and I paid $4.99. These wood blocks, I bought them at Dollar Tree, and I will be gluing them to the bottom of this bowl with some hot glue. Now this is all done and we are ready to start decorating it. I'm gonna go ahead and place plenty of bags in here because this bowl is very deep. And then I have these beautiful rocks. I will place them inside the bowl. I'm also going to be adding some of this Spanish moss. I'm going to be adding that along with a whole bunch of succulents that I bought over the summer at a garage sale. And I am so happy that I purchased them for $7. And I think they were like about 100 of them. I am super happy. I'm just going to go ahead and add them wherever I think it looks nice. And also don't forget to visit the playlist. It will be down in my description box. Thank you for visiting again, especially if you're coming from one of the other channels. I am thrilled that you decided to check out my content. If you enjoy it, please consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. And now it's time to see the final review of this beautiful project. I hope you enjoy it. I bought both of these jars at Dollar Tree several years ago. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be removing and relocating the rope. I'm also going to be using this ribbon. This project is self-explanatory, so sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, some tea, and enjoy this beauty. So I wanted you to sit back, relax, and enjoy this beautiful project. Now I'm going to be creating a second lantern. I think this is beautiful. And now I have two beautiful lanterns for my gazebo. Like that, I could sit outside with my hammock, relax, and enjoy the beautiful weather when it gets here, because in Illinois it is super cold right now. And again, guys, thank you so much for stopping by, and I will see you in my next video.